Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and you can see your Apple account balance in the App Store profile. Once done, verify your device region matches your account and that a secondary payment method exists for overflow charges. This prevents declined purchases. You should also enable in-app purchases if needed. These first steps ensure the App Store can select your balance automatically when you attempt to buy an app or subscription. You pick the app or subscription and tap the price. The App Store will automatically apply your Apple account balance first. If balance covers the total, the purchase completes without charging other methods. Once done, watch for confirmation and receipt emails and check subscriptions to ensure renewals will deduct from remaining balance. If balance is insufficient, the remainder charges to your backup card. Make sure you understand how family sharing or shared purchases might affect which balance gets used. After purchase, confirm the transaction in your purchase history and keep the receipt for records. If an app doesn't show as purchased, use the Restore Purchases button in the app or App Store to recover entitlements. One key troubleshooting tip: if the balance wasn't applied, sign out of your Apple ID, sign back in, and ensure your payment methods and region are correct. This often forces the App Store to reevaluate available balance. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your receipt and account details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.